Welcome! In front of me is DELL XPS 13, and in this video I will show you how to restore your PIN codes if you can't access your account. To do that, you'll have to press I forgot my PIN button right here. If you can't see it, make a couple attempts of entering your PIN number and it will appear afterward. So click it. Sometimes you should click it twice if it doesn't work the first time. Okay, as you can see, we have to click it the second time. And right now, if you're using a local account, then you'll have to answer 3 security questions, or maybe one of the security questions that you prepared for yourself in order to set a new password for your device. But if you can't remember the answers to those questions, then the only way for you to restore access to your account is to perform a factory reset, basically to reinstall Windows from USB. And if you don't know how to reinstall Windows from USB, we have an entire video on our channel explaining how to do that step by step. So if you need it, go check it out. And if you want to regain access to your account using Microsoft account, then first enter the password for your account right here. Press sign in, and then to verify our identity, let's select this option, and right now open your email that is connected to this account and enter the code that was sent to you by Microsoft. So let me enter the code that I received. And verify. Click continue. And after that, set up a new PIN code for your account. And confirm. And make sure that you remember it this time. Click OK. And wait until you're logged in to your account. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.